The Crush Effect, Upper Intermediate, B2. Jay was the kind of boy everyone noticed on the soccer field. Not because he was loud, not because he tried to look cool, but because when Jay played, he played really well. He was fast, had great vision, and his shots were so strong that sometimes the goalkeeper looked at the ball like it had personally offended him. Coach always said, "Jay, you're not just talented, you're focused." And that was true, until the day Jay looked up at the bleachers and saw her. Her name was Tara. She was sitting with her friends wearing a simple hoodie, holding a water bottle, laughing like she had no idea how powerful she was. And Jay's brain did this. Error, system crash, feelings detected. And suddenly, his legs forgot how to be legs. The whistle blew. Jay ran. The ball came to him. Easy pass, simple play. Jay thought, "Okay, stay calm." Then he heard a voice from the bleachers. "Go, Jay." He looked up. Terrible idea. Tara was watching him, and she was smiling. Jay's heart started beating like a drum. He got nervous and kicked the ball in a weird way. The ball rolled slowly, sadly, like it was embarrassed for him. A defender stole it in 2 seconds. His teammate Max ran by and whispered, "Bro, are you okay? You kicked the ball like it was a pet hamster." Jay's face turned red. "I'm fine." But he wasn't, because every time he looked up and saw Tara, he played worse. He missed passes. He ran too fast. He messed up all by himself. At one point, Jay tried to do a cool dribble move and accidentally kicked the ball into his own shin. The ball flew away, and Jay froze like his soul left his body. Coach shouted, "Jay, what was that?" Jay wanted to disappear into the grass forever. And Tara? She covered her mouth trying not to laugh, which was sweet, but also painful. At halftime, Jay sat on the bench and drank water like it was emotional support. Max sat next to him with a face like, "I already know. Let me guess. Tara is here?" Jay stared at the ground. "Is it that obvious?" Max nodded. "You're playing like you're in a romantic comedy." Jay groaned. "I can't control it. My heart goes crazy." Max gave him a small pat on the shoulder. "Then don't play with your heart, man. Play with your feet." Jay didn't even reply, because his heart was still doing parkour inside his chest. After the game, Jay walked home slowly, feeling like he had lost a fight against the universe. When he arrived, his grandpa was sitting outside, watering the plants calmly, like life was peaceful and beautiful. Grandpa looked at Jay with a quiet smile. "Bad game," Jay sighed. "The worst." Grandpa didn't make a big deal. He didn't say, "I told you so." He just pointed to the chair next to him. Jay sat. Grandpa asked, "Tell me what happened." Jay took a deep breath and spoke fast, like he was confessing a crime. "I was doing great. Then Tara showed up in the bleachers. My brain froze, and I played like a broken robot." Grandpa raised an eyebrow. "You like her?" Jay covered his face. "A lot." Grandpa smiled like he had seen this story many times. "That's not a problem, Jay." Jay looked confused. "It's not." Grandpa shook his head. "No. The problem is that you're fighting what you feel." Jay frowned. "But what I feel messes me up." Grandpa tapped Jay's chest gently. "What you feel is energy. Strong energy. You just haven't learned how to use it yet." Jay stayed quiet. Grandpa lifted one finger. "When your heart starts racing, do one simple thing. Breathe." Jay gave a tired laugh. "That's it. That's it. And one more thing," Grandpa said calmly. "Focus on the present moment." He looked at the plants. "When I water these plants, I don't think about what I did wrong yesterday. I don't think about tomorrow. I just water them now." Jay whispered, "But soccer is fast." Grandpa smiled. "Exactly. That's why you need one short sentence." He looked straight at Jay and said, "When you get nervous, think, this isn't fear, it's fuel." Jay swallowed hard. Fuel. The word stayed in his mind like a song. 1 week later, there was another game, and of course, Tara was there again. Jay saw her in the bleachers, and his whole body wanted to panic. His heart started running a marathon. But this time, Jay closed his eyes for half a second. Inhale, exhale. And he told himself, it's fuel. The whistle blew. The ball came to him, and he heard Tara shouting again, "Go, Jay!" Jay felt his stomach flip. His hands got sweaty, but he didn't look up. He stayed in the present moment. Ball, feet, space, pass, one play, then another. And suddenly, he was playing like himself again. Max ran next to him and shouted, "Yes, he's back!" Jay almost smiled, but he stayed focused. The game was tied. Last minutes, one chance left. Jay got the ball. A defender ran toward him. The pressure rose. His heart started beating fast again, and Tara was watching. Jay breathed. Fuel. He ran. He dribbled. He faked. And he kicked with all his strength. The ball went straight, fast. Goal! The whole team screamed. Coach almost fell from happiness. Max jumped on him. Bro, you did it! Jay lifted his head and looked at the bleachers. Tara was smiling, but not the "that was funny" smile. A different smile. A proud smile. After the game, Tara came down from the bleachers. Jay was holding his shirt, trying to look calm, but inside he was basically shaking. She stopped in front of him. You played really well today. Jay scratched the back of his neck. Thanks. I almost died in the last game. Tara laughed. Yeah, I noticed. Jay turned red. Sorry. Don't apologize, she said softly. It was cute. Jay blinked. Cute? Tara shrugged, smiling. Yeah, you got nervous. That's human. Jay took a deep breath and said the truth like a brave person. I get nervous when you're watching. Tara blinked slowly, surprised. Then she smiled even more. Then, I'm going to watch more often. Jay froze. Like, completely froze. Wait. What? Tara turned around and walked away laughing. And Jay stood there with his heart racing. But this time, racing in a good way. Because now he knew. He didn't have to run away from his feelings. He just had to learn how to use them.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.